Hello everyone, today is June 15th, 2025, and I just wanted to make a quick video about best beginner credit cards of 2025. I'm Josh Delosier of Josh Delosier Investments, and today we're diving into the most important tools for financial growth and credit building, beginning with beginner credit cards. Whether you're just starting your credit journey or looking to maximize your rewards and benefits, this video will give you everything you need to make smart, confident decisions. Let's start with the basics. Credit cards aren't just about borrowing money, they're about building your financial reputation. The right card can help you establish and grow your credit score, earn rewards and cash back, access valuable perks like purchase protection and travel insurance. But choosing the wrong card can lead to high fees and debt traps. So how do you pick the best one? Here's what to look for. No annual fees. Avoid cards that charge you just for having them. Low interest rates. If you ever carry a balance, a lower APR saves you money. Easy approval. Some cards are designed for those with limited or no credit history. Next, we have rewards and perks. Even beginner cards can offer cash back, points, and travel benefits. Well, those are some key things to look for. Then we have how to choose the card, which cards correctly. We got a few cards to go over right here. The first one is my personal favorite card. It's the Bank of America card. Unlimited cash rewards. Its annual fee is $0. Has 2% cash back on all purchases for the first year, and 1.5% unlimited cash back on all purchases after the first year. A sign-up bonus of $200 online cash rewards bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 90 days. And this card also offers a 0% APR for the first 15 billing cycles on purchase and balance transfers made in the first 60 days. The next card on the list is the Discover It Student Cash Back. It offers a 5% cash back on rotating categories. It has no annual fees. 1% back on all other purchases. Cashback match. All cashback earned in the first year is doubled. And no foreign transaction fees. Next we have the Capital One QuicksilverOne. Easy approval for average credit. A 1.5% cash back on every purchase. No rotating categories. And unfortunately, this one right here does have a $39 annual fee, but offset by rewards if you use the card regularly. Then we have a Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Has no annual fees. It offers 2% cash back on all purchases. Also, this Wells Fargo card offers cell phone protection, as well as a intro APR on purchases and balance transfers. Next, number 6 on the list, Citi. It has double cash card. There's no annual fees. Earn 2% cash back, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. It's simple flat rate rewards. So that's another very good card that I would consider. Then we have Petal 2. It's cashback, no fees Visa credit card. There's no fees whatsoever. A 1% to 1.5% cash back. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus, which is a big plus. Ideal for those with no credit history. How to use these cards wisely. We'll go over a few key things right here. Pay your bill in full every month to avoid interest. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally under 10%. You know, I personally recommend, you know, as well as if you want a perfect score, you want to have it 3 to 6%. You know, you don't want it any higher than that to maximize your credit utilization. So, you know, once it's at 4 or 5%, I would just quit using that card for the month, so you can get the most out of it. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Monitor your credit score and watch it grow. You know, that's a big thing. Always monitor every month and, you know, just keep an eye on things. Let's do a quick recap of a few things that we went over today. The right beginner credit card can jumpstart your financial journey. Look for cards with no annual fee, rewards, and credit building features. Use your card responsibly, pay in full, keep utilization low, and monitor your progress. If you're ready to take the next step, visit JoshDelozierInvestments.com for personalized advice or book a free consultation today. You can follow us on TikTok and Instagram for daily tips and subscribe to this channel for more expert insights. Drop your questions in the comments. You know, we're here to help you succeed. Appreciate everyone watching this video. One last thing for beginners, you know, we have 3 credit bureaus, you know, that are important when you're building your credit profile. We'll go over that more in depth in the next few videos. But Equifax is one. It's, you know, if you use Visa, you know, a lot of these Visa cards will report to Equifax. Then, of course, we've got TransUnion. And the third one is Experian. You know, really, you should have a credit card with each credit bureau. And that's Josh Delozier Investments recommendation. So you can build a credit score with each credit bureau, and you know, that way you have a full credit profile. You know, a lot of times people will go and try to get a loan somewhere and they'll find out they get denied just because, you know, that wherever they're trying to pull credit from uses a different credit agency. And, you know, that's something that happens to a lot of beginners. So when you're starting out, even if you've got to get a secured credit card with TransUnion or Experian, you know, go ahead and, you know, get that started today. You know, and so that way you're building credit, and credit history, you know, is another big thing. You know, it takes longer you have a longer credit history you have, you know, the more that everyone can look back and see your overall record, you know, which is a big thing overall. You know, everyone wants to make sure that you pay on time. Consistency is the key. We'll go over this in future videos. appreciate everyone watching this week. So please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll make another video next week. Appreciate y'all watching today. Have a great week.